Welcome to NET Scholars YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have looked at the pronouns and its kinds. Okay, in this video, we are going to look at the communicative functions of language proposed by Roman Jakobson. This is one of the most important topic for UGC NET examination for linguistic students. The concept of communicative functions of language proposed by Roman Jakobson in his book Language and Poetics, which is published in 1960. It is not original, it's a combination of Karl Berler and Claude Shannon communication models. They have proposed the models of communication in 1934, 1948 respectively. After that, by combining these two models, Roman Jakobson has given a new communicative functions of the language. As you can see, the communication model of Karl Berler has sender, receiver, there is a reality, and the reality is converted as message. Okay, and it sends it, the information travels from sender to receiver. Whereas in Claude Shannon model of communication, there is also a sender, receiver, message, channel, and code. So there is an addition, there is a removal of reality and the addition of channel and the code from Karl Berler to Claude Shannon. These two models are combined to form communicative functions of language by Jakobson. As you can see, we have seen addresser or sender or speaker or writer, we can say, whereas the addressee, we can also say receiver, listener, or reader. So these functions are already present in the previous models, and the addition is context and Phatic, and the message we have seen in the both previous models, as you can see here, and the code we can see in the model of Claude Shannon. Now we will look at the functions. Here the functions are emotive, conative, referential, poetic, phatic, and metalingual, whereas these are the target factors: addresser, addressee, context, message, contact, code. We will look at the each function and its respective target factor now. The first most target function is emotive function. Here the target factor is sender or the addresser. So here the intent of the writer or speaker will be express his feelings or state of mind. Let's say I have say it is so hot. Okay, I'm expressing my feelings here. Okay, it is where the sender or the addresser or the sender for this message, as he is explaining or expressing his feelings. And the next we have conative function, where the target factor is the receiver or the addressee. Here the speaker intends that the listener to act in compliance with the request through the order, request, or the intonation of the voice. It means that, let's say there are two persons okay, in a room. So I say it is hot. If the other persons can understand what I mean, then it may turn on the fan or AC or may open the windows. Okay, so it means that the receiver or act in compliance with the speaker. That's why the receiver is the target factor in the conative function. Next, we have a referential function where the target factor is context. Here, the intention of the writer or speaker will be to inform the reader or the listener. Here, to just give an information from the speaker to the listener, from the writer to the reader, such as, let's say, I'm giving information to you regarding Rohit Sharma. Uh, Rohit Sharma has recorded highest individual score in ODI against Sri Lanka. So it's I am here to inform you a the fact. So here the context, the message, the context is the important factor. So for the referential function, the target factor is context. Next, we have poetic function, where the target factor is message with effect. It means that the speaker or the writer aims to modify the common use of words to create an effect on the reader or the addressee. We can say in simple words, let's say if you see a girl and if you feel that she is beautiful, you can simply say that she is beautiful. But to add some effect to the message, you may also say you are shining like a full moon. So you are giving the message, okay, with some effect. So that's why in the poetic function, the factor is the message with the effect. And next, Phatic function. Here, the target factor is the contact. Okay, the writer or speaker aims to verify is the communication channel works using interrogative questions to the addressee. Let's say you and one more your senior or your friend in the college have me are going to meet after 2 years. Okay, after 2 3 years, you are not sure whether he's remember you or not. Then you may say hello to him. If he really remember, he start communicating back to you. So it means that the communication channel is working still between you and your friend or senior. So to check the contact, to check whether the communication channel still working between the two individuals. As a result, the Phatic function has main factor as contact. Next, we have multilinguistic function. The target factor here is the code. Here, the code is nothing but a language. So the intention of the speaker or the writer aims to enable the user to explain the facts of the language. That is what we do in our subject, that is linguistics. We in our 80% of the classes used to talk about the facts of the language English in English. So it's like speaking about the language using the language itself. As a result, the function metalinguistic function has its target factor as code. So this topic, the functions are very important that are proposed by Roman Jakobson. They usually asked in the UGC NET exam to match the functions with the target factor, okay, such as emotive with the sender, conative with the receiver, and so on. So please remember function and its respective target factor for the examination. In the next video, I'm going to come on Indian grammarians and their important works in linguistics. So please subscribe to our channel NET JRF Scholars for more interesting content on linguistics. Thank you.